Welcome back, Lena Girls over there, Davey D's over here. Time for some Shakas and Shoutouts. First of all, Shakas and Shoutouts to our local businesses. Now, earlier this year, you voted for your favorite restaurants, retail spots, brow and lash artists, and more.
And we compiled all the votes, and we are ready to announce the best of Hawaii beginning next Monday, June 2nd.
What a tease.
What? Right here on Island Life Live. You got to come back and join us.
Yeah, I cannot wait to reveal the best of Hawaii in the brown gravy category.
I don't know if there's a category for that, but if there is, I'm there too. Nah. But I do know that there's a musubi category, and who mastered the art of rice, spam, and the nori wrap, we'll tell you next week.
Who has the best boba? Who took the crown for karaoke? And who's the champ of kitchen design?
Find out when we reveal the 2025 Best of Hawaii right here on Island Life Live.
All right, Shakas and Shoutouts to Goodwill Industries of Hawaii. It is hosting a reuse collection event on Friday at the Kauai Resources Center on May 30th.
Residents, businesses, and other organizations bring your unwanted or unneeded items this Friday from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. in bags or boxes. Items being accepted that day include clothing, children's toys, books, and shoes.
And fam, clothing and textiles, they don't have to be in good condition. They can be torn or stained. It's okay. Also keep in mind that once you donate an item, the county cannot return it or give it back to you. So once you donate on POW,
it's gone.
Yes.
Bye. All right, so please double check and then triple check what you put in the bags and boxes before it goes off, all right? For more information about this event, check out kitv.com/links.
All right, Shakas and Shoutouts to Enjoy Snacks. Enjoy premium dried fruits are delicious. They got lychee flavored tropical fruit, pink guava, premium mango slices, premium sweet and sour mango slices, and dried chili lemon. And guess what? I get them right here, sis.
Yay!
What you like, try?
Can I do the pink guava?
Sure,
that
here you go.
Fun.
I had a hard time bringing them out of the bag, but and I'll do the chili lemon. I'm already open, but man, these things look. Actually, you know what I should do too? I should try
spicy.
The sweet and sour mango. I'm gonna try that. Thank you. Enjoy Snacks. What's your thoughts, sis, on that?
Oh, this is ono.
Ono.
This is a pink guava. Hawaiian style dried guava. Oh my goodness, this is so yummy. It's sweet, but not overly sweet. You know, sometimes when it's too sweet, you just you know enjoy.
And then tastes fake, yeah. But that tastes real.
This one is just so delicious. I could whack this whole bag by myself. Easy.
I can whack the bag.
And which one is that one?
Sweet and sour mango.
Now I know that these are available all over. And again, just like all of the other bags we talked about, this is really good just to punch hole right at the top. Put a little lanyard on it and boom, graduate.
Yeah, even if you no more lanyard, suji, yarn,
yeah.
You know, not to be fancy. I'm trying to open this one, but I wouldn't bust my nail for the weekend, so I'm stuck. I cannot open them. I'm really I would bust my nail.
Let me help you.
I get them, sis, right there. Now I finally got them.
But can you imagine just getting a whole lay of these? Woo! Pink guava lay. What is that one?
The spicy dried lemon rings.
And you said smell just like lemon peel.
But get one punch on them.
Yes, just takes me back to crack seed shop.
Oh, this is so good.
I love this. All right, you've never had dried fruit like this, family, with such unique flavors. Foil and resealable bags keep the fruit fresh and tasty, just in case you want to save some for later. It's on sale right now at Long's, starting May 20. Actually, started yesterday. No, started Sunday.
2 days ago. We had a 4-day weekend, so we don't know what day it is today. I think it's Tuesday.
I just noticed burger is ono.
Shakas and Shoutouts to Enjoy Snacks. Thank you so much. Now, still to come, cyber criminals have gained access to billions of passwords. Are you in danger?
Spoiler alert. If you use 123-456, yes, you are. More details and tech talk coming up in about 10 minutes.